Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Yoga Pilates routine wherein we are going to incorporate yoga asanas, but we are going to move in those postures as if we are doing Pilates. So there's going to be a lot of mobility, movement, and maybe somewhere holding as well. So let's begin in standing. Now keep your palms on side of the body. Inhale, take your arms up. Keep your feet joined. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, bring your palms on your waist. Inhale up, take it from side. Exhale, bring it on your waist. Inhale up. Exhale, bring it on your waist. Inhale up. Exhale, bring it on your waist. Inhale up. Exhale, bring it on your waist. Now lift your chest up and just squeeze your elbows behind towards each other. Stay here. 1. Keep squeezing, chest lifted up. 2, 3, 4. The palms will stay on the hip only, on the waist where it was, and squeeze your elbow. 5, 6. Keep squeezing elbows towards each other. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your palms. Inhale, take your arms up. Always take it from side. Exhale and squat. Exhale and bring the arms down and squat. Inhale up. Exhale, squat. Inhale up. Exhale, squat. 4, inhale. Exhale. 5, inhale. Exhale. 6, inhale. Exhale. 7, inhale. Exhale. 8, inhale. Exhale. 9, inhale. Exhale. 10, inhale. Exhale. Now let's take warrior 2 position here. So turn your right foot on right side, bend from the knee, hands open at shoulder level, and let's do a movement here. Open your legs more, knees bent. So we will go down and come up. 1. No, in warrior 2. So knees bent and up. 1. Yes. 2, look straight. Up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. Backhand lifted. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. Look straight only. 10, up. Now again bend from the knee and take a extended side angle. Bend from the knee. Keep your forearm on your knee. Another hand goes above the ear. Stay here. 1, bend more. 10 breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up towards the ceiling. 6, 7, or your middle finger. 8, 9, 10. Now let's take reverse warrior. Keep the legs in the same position. Legs in the same position. And back hand goes on the back calf. And other hand goes up. Look up. 1, 2. Bend your knee more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly keep your palms in the center on the floor. Like you have to swing. From reverse warrior, you will swing your arms and keep it on the floor. From reverse warrior. Reverse warrior, front knee was bent. Swing your arms from right side and keep it on the floor in center. And now go to left side and repeat everything on the left side. So we will do first warrior 2 movements. Take position. Open your legs more. and start. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, backhand straight, up, 5, up, 6, up, backhand is coming forward, take it back, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, up. Now let's take extended side angle here. 1, 2, look towards the middle finger. 3, back knee straight, open your leg more if possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, back knee tight. 8, 9, 10. Now let's take reverse warrior here. 1, front knee bent. 2, look up, hand straight. 3, upper hand straight, more straight. 4, towards the ceiling. 5, up. 6, look up towards the hand. 7, 8, front knee bent. 9, you can keep your back hand on the knee. 10, now swing your arms in the center. Swing from left side. Swing it, touch in the center. And now turn again on right side. So we will repeat this sequence 3 more times, but with little less counts and breaths. Okay. So start. Let's take warrior 2 position. Start. Down, up, down, up. Backhand goes back. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's take extended side angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse warrior 1. Don't straighten your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now swing your arms and go in center and go to other side. Warrior 2 up and down. Start. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up. Okay, now go for extended side angle. 1, 2, 3, back knee tight. 4, 5, reverse warrior. 1, 2, front knee bent. 3, 4, palm towards your face. 5, swing your arms. When you swing your arms and go in center, knee straight. And go to other side. Let's repeat with 3 breaths this time. Warrior 2, down, up, down, up, down, up, and let's hold extended side angle. 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3. Swing your arms, go in center, go to other side. Warrior 2. Down, up, down, back knee tight, up, down, up, extended side angle. 1, 2, 3. Reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3. Swing your arms, go in center, and let's repeat on last time on right side and left side. 2 times. Down, up, down, up. Extended side angle. 1, 2. Reverse warrior. 1, 2. Swing your arms. Go to other side. Down, up, down, up. Extended side angle. 1, 2. Reverse warrior. 1, 2. Swing your arms, go in center, and now slowly come all the way up. Now take sumo squat position. Okay. So you will inhale, take your arms up, and when you exhale, you will go down in sumo squat and cross your arms. Yes, and up. 1. Go down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change the cross of your hand. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now turn your right foot on right side. Keep your both the knees tight this time. Hands open at shoulder level. Exhale and grab your shin. And other hand goes straight up, look up. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go for warrior 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's take warrior 1. 1. Turn towards right side. 2, 3. Back toe pointing towards right. 4. Bend from the knee. Twist your body forward. 5. Okay. And now again swing your arms. Come in center. So when you swing your arms, make sure you're swinging from entire side. Touch in center, and let's repeat from sumo squats. No, sorry, let's repeat from triangle pose. Okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warrior 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warrior 1. 1, 2. Don't clench your thumb. 3, 4, 5. Swing your arms. And let's repeat triangle on right side with 4 breaths. Repeat the entire sequence. Start. 1. Knee tight. 2. Knee tight. 3, 4. Warrior 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warrior 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing your arms. Go to other side. Let's take triangle on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warrior 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warrior 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing your arms. Go to other side. Let's repeat with 3 breaths. Triangle. 1, 2, 3. warrior 2, 1, 2, 3, warrior 1, 1, 2, 3, swing your arms, go to other side, triangle, 3 breaths, 1, 2, 3, warrior 2, 1, 2, 3, warrior 1, 1, 2, 3, swing your arms, go to right side, let's repeat with 2 breaths, triangle, 1, 2, warrior 2, 1, 2, warrior 1, 1, 2, swing and go to other side, triangle, 1, 2, warrior 2, 1, 2, warrior 1, 1, 2, swing and go to other side last time, 1, 1 breath, triangle, 1, warrior 2, 1, warrior 1, swing and go to other side, triangle, warrior 2, warrior 1, swing, come to center, keep your hands on the waist and slowly come all the way up. Now take sumo squat position. Go down in sumo squat. And now move your both the hands in right, left, right, left. Now when you move your hand up, you have to come up. Okay? So start. Down, right, left, that's 1, right, left, 2, right, left, 3, right, left, 4, right, left, 5, right, left, 6, right, left, 7, right, left, 8, right, left, 9, right, left, 10, right, left, 11. Okay, so we are supposed to do 10. Okay, now come in plank position. And let's take mountain climbers here. So we will do 10 each side. Slow, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now let's take child's pose here for 10 breaths. Start. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale and come up. So when you inhale and come up, bring your hands up. No, you have to come in child's like Vajrasan position only. Stay in Vajrasan. So come up, bring your hands up, take it on side, and then again go down for child's pose. Okay? So we will do that 10 times. Start. Start from child's pose. Come up, inhale. child's pose. 1, 2, child's pose. 3, child's pose. 4, child's pose. 5, child's pose. 6, child's pose. 7, child's pose. 8, child's pose. 9, child's pose. 10, child's pose. And now let's take forearm plank here. Quickly come in forearm plank position and hold. 1, 10 breaths here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again let's repeat that child's pose in forearm plank 3 more times, okay? So come in child's pose. Start. 1, child's pose. 2, child's pose. 3, child's pose. 4, child's pose. 5, child's pose. 6, child's pose. 7, child's pose. 8, child's pose. 9, child's pose. 10, child's pose. Let's take forearm plank here. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come in child's pose again. 1, child's pose. 2, child's pose. 3, child's pose. 4, child's pose. 5, child's pose. 6, child's pose. 7, child's pose. 8, child's pose. 9, child's pose. 10, child's pose. Let's take forearm plank here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's repeat that one last time. Come in child's pose. Start. 1, child's pose. 2, child's pose. 3, child's pose. 4, child's pose. 5, child's pose. 6, child's pose. 7, child's pose. 8, child's pose. 9, child's pose. 10, child's pose. And let's take forearm plank here. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now come in bird dog position, like all 4 positions. and raise your opposite hand and leg, and just move your hand and leg up and down, but not too much up and down, just more like pulsing. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will repeat the same thing, but once we will do it here and then once on side. So hand and leg forward and side, forward and side. Okay, let's start. So make sure you have enough space around you. Start. 1, 2. Open on side, open on side. So 1, this is front and back. 2, side and side. Okay, start. 1, 2. Leg will also come on side. 3, no, not this much, just little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe pointing down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do 10 more. 11, 12. Raise your leg up. 13. Other toe relax. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Change the side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bring your leg back in center. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now lie down on your stomach and let's do Bhujangasana movements. Palms next to the chest. Now this time keep your elbows bent. Don't come up all the way up. Keep your elbows bent. Start. Inhale 1. Exhale down. Elbows touching the body. Inhale 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6. Exhale down. Inhale 7. Exhale down. Exhale and go full down. Inhale 8. Exhale down. Inhale 9. Exhale down. Inhale 10. Exhale down. Now we'll repeat that 2 more times. Take position again. Start. Inhale 1. Exhale down. Toe touching down. Inhale 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Elbows touching the body. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Keep your feet touching the floor. Inhale 6. Exhale down. Inhale 7. Exhale down. Inhale 8. Exhale down. Inhale 9. Exhale down. Inhale 10. Exhale down. Rest for a while, then we'll repeat that again. Okay, let's repeat it again. Start. Inhale 1. Exhale down. Inhale 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6. exhale down. Inhale 7, exhale down. Inhale 8, exhale down. Inhale 9, exhale down. Inhale 10, exhale down. Keep your feet touching down. Okay, now let's take child's pose for 10 breaths. Relax your back here. 1, 2, knees touching each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly relax. So that was our Yoga Pilates routine. I'm sure you all enjoyed it because I did too. This was such a fun routine, I believe, which incorporated both the movements. So please like this video, share it with someone whom you think will enjoy this as well. Also, please subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you can get our future updates. It is a pleasure to have you all. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.